So you hate the view and you want me to change it like immediately. So you need me to swap modified and created by. Okay, can't handle that, huh? Oh, and you also don't want to mess up the original view? Oh, okay, well stick around. We're going to show you how to create your own private views and manipulate views like a boss. I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them forward. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is make sure you don't mess up the existing view. So you're gonna go to that little view drop down, view options, whatever it's called, drop down, and you're gonna say save view as. You're gonna burn a copy of that puppy, and you can just call it all items copy. I can't think of a snazzy name right now. And you're gonna not make it public. It's gonna be just for you, so you don't mess this up for everybody because you gotta have something different. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna look at created by needs to be over here on the other side. We're gonna drag it and boom, it's done. Okay, and then we're just for good measure, we're gonna go down here. We're gonna just say save view. Just save it. Okay, and you did it. You did it. You now have your own private personal view for you that no one else can see, and it is called all items copy. Now, let's say, well, let's slow it down a little bit and then we'll talk about some of the ins and outs. Before we do that, please, if you find anything that you dig, please hit that like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you can know as soon as new material is available. So let's get down to the nuts and bolts of this puppy here. So yeah, you got like, there's little tabulations. It's tabular here. So we go back to all items. So, you know, basically maybe you just need to have your columns a certain way. I mean, you can show hide, you can move and groove, you can expand, contract. I mean, there's so many things that you can do, you know, see there's that. But this was just about moving them around. You just click and drag them. Now, there's about 8,000 different ways you can move columns around. So the first is just click and drag it where you want it to go. The other thing is you can just hit a drop down for any column, and you can go to column settings and you can go to show hide, and you can just drag them where you want them to go there. That's another way. You hit apply, apply, you hit apply. Yeah. And another thing you can do is you can go in between. You can go in between these puppies and you could say, hit the little plus, and then there's a show hide right there. And you can do the same thing again and you can move them around. But wait, there's still more. I told you there was 9,017 ways that you can do it. You can also go to the Giri icon and you can go to the list, go to list settings, and you go to the backstage. This is old school. This is old. This is like SharePoint 2007, like old school, like security number 1 type of old school. And you go down here and you look at the view, whatever view that you're on, and you can just click on the all items, whatever. I mean, I wasn't supposed to be affecting the all items view, but now people are going to be mad. Oh well, such is life. And then you go over here, and this is like the old school way. Did I say it was old school? You just click the little drippity drop down, and then you just say where you want the column to go. Pretty simple, straightforward. And when you're all done, you just hit OK, and then it's saved. All right, y'all. That does it. Hopefully this helps you manipulate your views like a boss without jacking them up for everybody else that has to look at this list or library along with you. So with that, thank you very much. Remember, do the very best you can with what you got. SharePoint rocks, and so do you. We'll see you next time. I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them forward. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care what you heard.